Welcome to TP Studies. Today we are going to discuss GK bits related to Group D. First one, FIFA was established in. First one, Italy, France, England and Spain. FIFA was established at France. Okay, next one, the process of breakdown of rocks by the action of air, water and climate is called. First one, landslide, weathering, ablation and solifluction. So, the answer is weathering. The process of breakdown of rocks by the action of air, water and climate is called weathering. So, second one is the right answer. Third one, minimum support price is announced by. Minimum support price is announced by, first one, Ministry of Finance, second one, Ministry of Agriculture, third one, Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, fourth one, Chamber of Commerce. So, the right answer is Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs. So, the next one, fourth one, who among the following established depressed classes? Who among the following established depressed classes? So, first one, Babu Jagjeevan Ram, Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, fourth one, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So, the answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next one, what is the chemical name of the salt? What is the chemical name of salt? First one, magnesium dioxide, second one, calcium chloride, third one, sodium sulphate, fourth one, sodium chloride. So, the answer is fourth one, sodium chloride. Next, who made the painting called My Mother? My Mother. Who made the painting called My Mother? First one, Nanda Lal Bose, second one, Abanindranath Tagore, third one, Debendranath Tagore, fourth one, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. So, the answer is Abanindranath Tagore. Next one, Gagra and Son are tributaries of which river? Gagra and Son are tributaries of which river? So, the options Chambal, Yamuna, river Ganga and Brahmaputra. So, the answer is Ganga. Gagra and Son are the tributaries of Ganga river. Next one, which component of blood? Which component of blood fights against germs that enter the human body? So, the options, first one hemoglobin, second one red blood cells, third one platelets and fourth one white blood cells. So, the answer is white blood cells. The component of blood fights against germs that enter the human body is called white blood cells. So, the next one, in which year were union and railway budgets merged in India? Union and railway budgets merged in India. So, the options 2017, second one 2016, third one 2018, fourth one 2015. So, the answer is 2016. The next one, where is the archaeological site of Inamgaon located? So, the options Karnataka, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra. The archaeological site of Inamgaon located at Maharashtra. So, the next one, President Ramnath Kovind laid the foundation stone for Ambedkar Memorial and Cultural Center in. First option Indore, second one Agra, Gurugram, And then fourth one is Lucknow. So the option is fourth one, Lucknow. President Ramnath Kovind laid the foundation stone for Ambedkar Memorial and Cultural Center in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. The next one, who started the Kesari magazine? Who started the Kesari magazine? So the options, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Dadabhai Nauroji and Bipin Chandrapal. So the option is Bal Gangadhar Tilak, second option is correct. Next one, Mohammadas is associated with which game? First option, shooting, table tennis, hockey and archery. So the Mohammadas is associated with table tennis game. And the next one, which of the following option is right? So one who could read, write and teach Arabic was called Munshi. Mural is a hanging rock painting. Gulfar Ocean is a festival of flowers. Aurang was a type of horse cart. So the answer is Gulfar Ocean is a festival of flowers. Next one, Ladakh is situated between. First option, Shivalik and Jaskar Mountains. Karakoram Range and Jaskar Mountains, Middle Himalayas and Shivaliks, and the last one, Greater Himalayas and Shivaliks. Ladakh is situated between Karakoram Range and Jaskar Mountains. The next one, the Mausoleum of Sufi Saints is called. The Mausoleum of Sufi Saints is called. First one, Cul-de-sac, Eidgah, Dargah and Khanqah. So the option Dargah. 17th one, deficiency of which hormone in the body causes goiter disease? Deficiency of which hormone in the body causes goiter? So first one, thyroxine, second one, adrenaline, testosterone and estrogen. So the answer is thyroxine. Deficiency of thyroxine in the body causes goiter disease. Next one, under whose guidance is the Economic Survey of India prepared? Under whose guidance? The Economic Survey of India prepared. First one, Finance Commission, under Finance Minister, under RBI Governor, under Chief Economic Advisor. Under Chief Economic Advisor is the correct answer. The next one, the lion-tailed macaques, also called silver langur, beard langur, black langur, howler langur. So the answer is beard langur. Beard langur is the answer. Next one, which article of Indian Constitution guarantees protection of life and personal liberty? Guarantees for protection of life and personal liberty. So the options, Article 21A, Article 20, Article 21, Article 22. So the answer is Article 21 is the correct answer. So the next one, which part was added to the Indian Constitution by 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act? So part 9. Which part 9 was added to the Indian Constitution by 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act. Next one, name the Indian wrestler who gets 2-year ban for doping recently. 2-year ban. Indian wrestler. So first one, Yogeshwar Dutt, Jeet Ram, Ravinder Singh, Sumit Malik. So the answer is Sumit Malik. The next one, who chaired the drafting committee of Constitution of India. Drafting Committee of Constitution of India. First one, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, V.P. Menon, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So the answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next one. Name the flag bearer of the Indian contingent in the Tokyo Olympics. Flag bearer of the Indian contingent in the Tokyo Paralympics. So the options Tarundeep Rai, KT Irfan, Vikas Krishnan, Tek Chand. So the answer is fourth one, Tek Chand. And then next one, the deficiency of which of the following vitamins causes beriberi in human beings? The deficiency of which vitamin causes beriberi in human beings? Vitamin D, vitamin A, vitamin C or vitamin B1. So the option is vitamin B1. Next one, which of the following is an air-to-air missile? It's an air-to-air missile. The first option, Trishul, Akash, Astra, Maitri. So the option is Astra. Astra is an air-to-air missile. Next one, mixture can be dash in nature. Mixture can be heterogeneous in nature. Mixture can be both homogeneous and heterogeneous in nature. Pure substance mixture can be homogeneous in nature. Then the answer is both homogeneous and heterogeneous in nature. Mixture can be. The next one, when was the first session of the Constituent Assembly held? First session of the Constituent Assembly held. Options 1946, 1947, 1948, 1949. So the answer is 1946. Next one, in which of these sports is a helmet worn? Helmet worn sport. So kabaddi, volleyball, hockey and basketball. So hockey is the correct answer. What is the state animal of Andhra Pradesh? What is the state animal of Andhra Pradesh? Rhinoceros, sambar, elephant, black buck. So the answer is black buck. Option number 4 is correct. Next one, Udagamandalam. Udagamandalam is the other name of which of these hill stations? Udagamandalam. Nainital, Ooty, Kodaikanal, Darjeeling. So the answer is Ooty. Udagamandalam is the other name of Ooty hill station. Next one, to which dynasty did Ashoka belongs? Ashoka dynasty. To which dynasty did Ashoka belong? Gupta, Kanva, Maurya or Nanda. So the answer is Mauryan dynasty. Mauryan dynasty. Next one, with which sport is Roger Federer associated? With which sport is Roger Federer associated? So options tennis, chess, football, archery. So the answer is tennis. Next, Banwarilal Purohit. Banwarilal Purohit is the present governor of which state? First one, Assam, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu or Maharashtra. So Banwarilal Purohit is the present governor of Tamil Nadu. Next one, who was the first scientist? Who was the first scientist to use an instrument? For biological studies in 1665. So the options Robert Hooke, Skevan, Skeldon, none of them. So the answer is Robert Hooke.